Hi there and welcome to London Drugs. I just want to talk to you about an excellent item. It's the Hoover Twin Tank Steam Mop. This steam mop is particularly good because it has two tanks, one water reservoir and one for the detergent. The detergent is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's not harmful to your surfaces. There's 4 settings: steam, general clean, spot clean, and tough stains for those really tough stains. It's easy to use. You just press the power button, wait until the ready light comes on, and then dispense on this button right here. The steam will come out. Has an easy swivel head to get to those hard to reach places. And it comes with 3 steam mop cloths. 2 are the same. 1 is for hardwood, and also a carpet glider if you want to do your carpet. It does kill up to 99.9% of bacteria, which is very effective. And after you're finished using it, you can just put it in its cool down pad in the corner. So once again, if you're in the market for a steam mop, I suggest you come down to London Drugs and pick one up.